You gonna put your shades on? Oh yeah, you are so cool. You are so cool, Ruben. What are you gonna do? Got something to clean? You gonna close it up? Good job. Thank you, Ruben.
Up.
Up? You trying to get up? You trying to open it? You press this button and that'll open it. Press this button right here. Press that hard. Press it hard. There you go. Good job. Good job, Ruben. What? Trying to open. Oh, you opened it. You did it again. So you didn't need help. You know what you're doing.